Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Hyundai Sonata and you need to remove or replace mirror switch. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. We'll teach you how to do it. Now, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, including this Hyundai Sonata, will be making more than 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy new mirror switch, parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can save quite a bit of money. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So next step, it's a little bit nasty looking, guys. Okay, it's a little bit nasty looking. It's a parts car that we'll be demonstrating on. So what you need to do now, first thing, we need to remove gently the cover for the mirror. Okay, just gently pry it out. Be careful, okay, not to break it. Perfect, just like that. 3 clips. Okay, let me show you 3 clips. They go, okay, in this hose right here. Now, right here under that handle we have a cover. Okay, that cover right here. All we have to do, okay, get a screwdriver, okay, and pry it on the back or the front side, it will come out. This one was actually loose. Underneath there is one screw, okay, with a Phillips screwdriver, okay, that we need to remove, okay, right here. So let's go ahead, do that, okay, see if it's going to come out, or we will need to get a regular screwdriver, probably. No, I don't think it will work, so let's get a screwdriver. We'll remove that one, and it's important to remove it, otherwise you will not be able to remove the door panel. So let's go ahead. It's pretty tight. Then there is one more that's hidden, guys. Now for a 2010-2015 generation, it's pretty simple design. There is one cap right here, okay, that cap, you can see it is in the handle. So I need to get the flathead screwdriver, okay, and you pry it, guys, okay, you go in the thing, okay, like that, you pry it and it comes up. Okay, perfect. Now another screwdriver, it's so dirty here, I don't know even if the screwdriver will catch the screw. Perfect. Next, we need to go ahead, okay, and pull the screw out to make sure it's not holding. Now at that point, check everywhere else, but we should have no screws, okay, holding anymore. The only thing that we need, guys, is a prying tool. And now we have multiple clips, and once we remove the door panel, we will explain where exactly each clip is located. That way you will know where to apply pressure, okay, so you don't break anything. Okay, check it out, it's coming loose. If you get your finger sometimes underneath it, it can help. Here I think you need to lift it up a little bit to come out, okay. And now we need to disconnect all the cables. So now how we can do that now, guys, okay, there are actually a few things that we can do. We can remove the interior door handle right here, okay, or let me see if we will be able to disconnect the cables like that. You press down here and you pull it out. Now something fell, I will see what it is. Looks like, okay, that door handle is broken on the inside. That's a piece, okay, right here for the lock, it looks like, lock and unlock as well. Now we need to disconnect the wiring harness for the mirror switch. So let me see, okay, it's right here. Okay, that thing, let me show you now. That thing here in the middle, you press down, you pull it out. Same thing on this side, don't put any, no, go down a little bit, not to have pressure on the wire. The same thing, guys, okay, right here you press in, you pull out. One wire right here, okay, and the door panel came out, you can see, just like that. Now the clips, okay, let's explain where the clips are. A few clips didn't remove, one of them here. So get it with the clip removal tool and we're going to install it on the door panel. And now all the clips that are here, okay, you start with here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips here, guys. And I don't think there is more holding that panel. If you need to buy replacement clips, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get some from. Now Now the mirror switch, guys, it's located right here. This is your window switch, this is the mirror switch. It practically has 4 clips holding it in place. But if you get a screwdriver, okay, and gently, careful not to crack it, okay, kind of like you pry it, okay, you will see like in an angle, okay, you need to pry a little bit and put pressure on it, okay, to come out, and that switch will come out. That's where it attaches on the back side. You can see 4 things, and that's the mirror switch, guys. Okay, you can see that's how you remove it. Now, if you need to replace it, all you have to do, just put it together in reverse, or we took it apart. If you need help with anything else, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.